Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're baking this awesome cake which is really easy to make and super delicious, and it's also lemon flavored. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we'll need some lemon zest. Cut the lemon in half and juice the lemon. I got 60 milliliters of lemon juice. Add 3 eggs in a bowl and mix them with 150 grams of sugar. Then add 50 milligrams of butter. Also add the lemon juice and the zest and mix it all very well. Now you can add 200 milliliters of milk and mix again. Add 100 grams of flour and mix. After that, you can add 50 grams of dried coconut. Add a baking paper on your baking pan and you can put the butter. Mix into the pan. Send it into the oven in 150 degrees Celsius for about 40 or 45 minutes. When it's all done, you can let it sit for a while. Then with a knife, take it out and then cut it into portion pieces. And now you can plate it. It's very delicious, smells amazing, and super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.